What's up everyone, I'm Keenon. It's gonna be another great day here in Los Angeles. On to the next table on the go non-stop. All the people that I see around me smiling happily. Hello guys, here's your delivery. Grab it off the tray, the Wagyu tastes yummy. Freshly cooked meals to fill up your tummy. If there's anything you need, just tell me. I must be really handsome how everybody's staring. My tray's filled up, looking tasty, you should see it. When I move past them quite steadily, delivery master's here with your food already. Hey lovebirds, I brought what you'll be eating. I've got the solution for whenever you're hungry. Smile on my face, on the left I got veggies. Turn around so you see that on the right I got meat. Spice got in my eyes, that's the reason why it's teary, but I keep it moving. Excuse me pretty lady, hope you have a great day like the ones I'm having lately. And yeah, I'm there, I'm bringing smiles everywhere. You know what, I love my work, I do it with flair.
KEENON